Namaskar, this is Swasti. I warmly welcome you all to Live Indian Culture with Swasti. Here in this platform, in our micro approach, we will try to restore our Indian culture as far as possible, and for the future generation should understand well that our own Indian culture has something which is unique in its own way. And I would like to discuss today about the topic Vasant Panchami. आप और हम विद्या बुद्धि की देवी माँ सरस्वती की उपासना करते हैं, एंड दिस फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड थ्रू आउट इंडिया. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी ऑस्पिशियस फेस्टिवल, एंड द एनर्जी ऑफ दिस फेस्टिवल इज सो वाइब्रेंट एंड पावरफुल दैट whatever work seems to be impossible for us, if we want to start it, we can have the grace of Goddess Saraswati and we can start it. The impossible will be possible. This is the foremost and integral part of this festival. It is auspicious to put on saffron colored dress and yellow dress, and otherwise you can also put on white dress on this festival. On this festival, we made puri, kheer and chana dal curry, which is a Odia cuisine. This year, 14th Feb 2024, coincidentally Vasant Panchami and Valentine's Day is falling on same day, and people are aware of Valentine's Day. But very few people, they actually know about Basant Panchami. Lots of people know that Basant Panchami, Rishi Panchami, Madan Panchami and Sri Panchami. Lots of names are associated with Basant Panchami. But many people, they don't know that Basant Panchami is associated with Indian Love Day. It is on Magha Sukla Paksha Panchami. Winter shakes the red and orange yellow leaves. With the advent of spring, bloom begins. Winter gives farewell and takes rest. Green leaves grows and spring is at its best. New beginnings and new hopes shows the brilliance of nature. Carpet of mustard flower portrays the vibrancy of life and love showers. Earth seems to be a golden mermaid, seems to be a fairy tale which we were often told. Do you know a wonderful thing associated about Basant Panchami? There is a beautiful story of Goddess Saraswati and also another great legend of Kamdev, who is the god of love, who evokes love in Lord Shiva, who is a great ascetic, जो कि बहुत बड़े वैरागी हैं. उनमें अगर प्यार प्रेम भाव इस दिन किया जा सकता है कामदेव द्वारा. सो यहाँ पे ना दो टाइप की एनर्जीज हैं. एक फेमिनाइन एनर्जी जो गॉडेस सरस्वती उनकी है, जो कि प्योर एनर्जी है, लिबरेशन की एनर्जी है, नॉलेज की एनर्जी है, बहुत ही प्योर एनर्जी है, शुद्ध एनर्जी है, इंटेलेक्ट की एनर्जी है. और उसके साइड कंट्राडिक्टोरी है कामदेव की एनर्जी है, जो कि कॉस्मिक एनर्जी है. इस डे को इसीलिए अभुज मुहूर्त कहा जाता है और इस दिन को इसीलिए सेल्फ डिक्लेयर्ड मुहूर्त भी कहा जाता है. सो दिस डे इज एक्सट्रीमली ऑस्पिशियस. इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग ऑन दिस डे, देयर इज वेरी पावरफुल एनर्जी which is said that on this Vasant Panchami, ये दिन ना महाराष्ट्र में newly married couple they do a must visit to temples, and in Gujarat they put on the jasmine garlands, और खजुराहो टेम्पल में कामदेव और रति का उनका मूर्ति वहाँ पे है. तो lots of things are associated with it. Hereby the story is like that when Lord Shiva goes into deep yogic meditation after the self-immolation of goddess Sati, Lord Shiva was greatly devastated. At that time, all the rishis approached to Kamdev, the god of love. And after that, Kamdev knows that when he will evoke Lord Shiva from his yogic meditation, he is definitely going to die. But जो है कि जन कल्याण के लिए अगर कुछ काम किया जा सकता है, और इसीलिए कामदेव ने सब ऋषियों की बात मान ली. कामदेव goes to that place, and with his sugarcane bow and flowery arrow, he shoots Lord Shiva. And after that, Lord Shiva opens his third eye, and the rest everybody knows. Kamdev turns into ashes. But what happens is that the initiation of love happened to Lord Shiva, and after some days Shiv Parvati Vivah happens. Ultimately, I would like to say that Vasant Panchami has great importance and significance in the Hindu Sanatan Dharma. मैं भोला पर्वत का